Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change email address on Easyship. To change your email on Easyship, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Now type in easyship.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Easyship account, and once you're inside the main home page, scroll down from the left-hand side menu of the screen and click on the profile option under account. Now under login details, click on change login email. Enter your password for your Easyship account in the password tab and go to the email section and type in a new email address you are trying to change to for your account. Now click confirm and you will now be able to update your email address for Easyship. Next time you try to log into your account with email, you will need to type in the newly updated email for yourself. So that's how you can easily change your email address on Easyship. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.